Okay, let's get right into the video. So the products you're going to use are edge control, gel, and I use 2.5 packs of the braiding hair. I use Janet collection, but you can get any braiding hair at your local beauty supply store. And of course, you're going to need a comb. You're going to want to separate the braiding hair into smaller parts so that it's easier to feed into the braids. Okay, and what I did next was, after I did my part, I started to prepare my braid by applying the edge control and gel and brushing it down so that it's nice and neat. Okay, to start the knotless braid, what you're going to want to do after prepping the braid is to divide the hair into 3 parts and begin to make a plait. After 2 rotations, and I zoomed in here, after 2 rotations, you're going to want to add in the braiding hair that you already separated. You want to make sure that you add the braiding hair to the 2 ends. Do not add it to the middle strand. After that, you continue to braid for 2 more rotations and add in braiding hair every 2 rotations, depending on how thick you want your braid to be. I only added about 3 pieces of the braiding hair per braid. And I would say my hair came out medium size. Also, please do not pay attention to my parts. I know that they are uneven and some are bigger than others, but this is my first time doing the knotless braids, and I'm gonna work on my parts for next time. And just make sure that you braid all the way to the bottom. Next, I just oiled my scalp and placed it throughout each part. And also I added some oil sheen from Main Choice to give it some shine. And I just rubbed that throughout my hair. Okay, and so this is the final look of how my hair turned out. I used a 44-inch with the ombre blonde tips at the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to leave the products in the description box, and hopefully you can try it out.